Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. Today, we'll be walking you through how you can log into eBay account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button if you've not yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Click open a web browser first. You can open any web browser you have and go to the URL box at the top and type in www.ebay.com and search. You'll end up in the official website of eBay. Click on the sign in button at the upper left corner in order to sign in. If you'd like to switch to a different account, click on switch account and start by entering your email or your username associated with eBay. Let me go ahead and type in one of my email and click on continue. On the next page, enter your password that is associated with the account. Make sure to type in the correct password so that you can log in or sign in without any kind of a problem. In case you've forgotten your password, you'll need to click on need help signing in link at the bottom and follow the instructions so that you can get help in order to reset your password. After you're done, click on sign in and soon after you do that, you will be logged into eBay account quick and easy. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.